Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this episode, we want to look at our weekly Forex analysis. But before we do that, a quick disclaimer. This is not a signal service. It is just our view on what direction we believe the market will move this week. So please, do your due diligence before you place a trade based on our analysis. The best way to trade with our analysis is to take trades that are in tandem with the direction we have forecasted. Having said that, let's go straight into the analysis. DXY, daily time frame. Take a look at this DXY. DXY has been making some moves. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And last week, the last swing high was broken. Price created a new higher high. This is our break of structure here. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. It's our swing low, our swing high, break of structure. The last opposite candle before the break of structure is this red candle here, which is our order block. So what are we expecting from DXY this coming week? Well, what we are expecting from DXY this week is a pullback or a retracement, if you like, to the daily OB and an expansion upward to create a new higher high. That's what we expect from DXY this week. Now, let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD daily time frame. Euro USD daily time frame. If you look at the daily time frame of Euro USD, price has been making lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high. We are in a clear downtrend, as you can see. Now, price last week broke this structure to form a new lower low. This is the break of structure. Our red horizontal line is the break of structure. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. This bullish candle here is our order block. Your order block is always the last opposite candle before the break of structure. So the blue candle here, the bullish candle here is our order block. So what do we expect from from Euro USD this week? What we expect, just like the DXY, we expect Euro USD to retrace to our daily OB before a push down. That's what we are expecting. Now, just please, I want you to take note of this. Our gray box is our daily OB, and our light blue box is our 4-hour OB. Please take note of that. Now, let's go to H4 and see something. This is the gray box is our daily OB. Now, on H4, here we have 4-hour OB sitting here. Take a look at it. This light blue box that is almost within our daily OB is the 4-hour OB. So this zone is key. Now, but on H4, we also have this order block sitting here. Remember, we trade from range to range. This is a new range now. Now, look at it. There was a break of structure here. Break of structure. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. The last opposite candle before the break of structure is this bullish candle here. And we mark it out. And price is already within that 4-hour OB, and it seems it's even reacting already within the 4-hour OB. So what we advise is that drop down to lower time frame and look for your confirmation entry. If this zone that price is already reacting holds, then price will push down. Otherwise, this is the zone, the next zone we look to take our bearish trade from. That is Euro USD. Euro USD. Let's go to AUD USD. AUD USD is a bit tricky. Let's go to weekly time frame. AUD USD weekly time frame is a bit tricky. Now, when you look at the weekly time frame of AUD USD, price has been making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now, price created this weekly order block here. Look at this red candle where our yellow box is. This yellow box is the weekly order block. Price went up, broke structure here. And when price came back down to that weekly OB the first time, it reacted and price went up. Now price is back to that very area. Take note of that. Let's go to daily time frame. Let's go to daily. Look at the daily time frame. Look at the daily time frame. Now, within our weekly OB is sitting a daily OB. Look at it. There is a daily OB here. This is our gray box here. Daily OB. Price went up and broke structure. And price came back down but never touched the daily OB. Now, it created something here. This minor structure here, it broke the minor structure and price came down. Now, look at it. This is our break of structure. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. The last bullish candle before the break of structure is our order block. So we mark it out. So price is already right into our daily order block here now. What do we expect from AUD USD? Well, we expect price to push down to this daily OB here, this first daily OB, and push up. Or price coming down to the second daily OB within the weekly OB and push up. That is our expectation for AUD USD this week. That's our expectation for AUD USD this week. Now, that's why we said AUD USD is a bit tricky this week. Now, let's move on. USD CAD. Let's look at USD CAD. Daily time frame. Or let's look at 4-hour. 4-hour time frame. 4-hour. USD CAD 4-hour. Now, take a look. Let's go first to daily time frame. Now, what do you see? What trend do you see? On daily time frame, we have a clear uptrend. Price making higher highs, higher lows. Look at it. Price making higher highs, higher lows. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. And now price made an attempt to go up, but failed to create a new higher high. Now, look at what happened here. This is a complex pullback here. Look at it here. Now, price came and took liquidity with this our red horizontal line. Price took liquidity there and pushed up to break structure. And when price came back to that our 4-hour OB, let's go to 4-hour. Let's go to 4-hour. You see our OB clearly. This is our 4-hour OB. Look at it. Price came back to this 4-hour OB. Price took liquidity here and pushed up to break this first structure. It retraced and went up again to break the second structure. Now price came back down the first time, reacted off of this our 4-hour OB and went up. Now price is back within our 4-hour OB. Look at it, price is back within our 4-hour OB. So what we are expecting is for price to push up to create a new higher high. The point of invalidation is the bottom of this green box. Once this green box is breached, we no longer want to look for buy opportunities. That is USD CAD. USD CAD. Now let's go ahead. Look at GBPJPY. GBPJPY. GBPJPY 4-hour has been very clear. GBPJPY 4-hour, this is a high, created a high, lower high. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Break of structure here. Look at it. Our red horizontal line, break of structure. This is our swing high. This is our swing low here. Now our order block is the last opposite candle, the last bullish candle before the break of structure. That is our order block, and price is already within our order block zone. So what we expect you to do is to go to the lower time frame and look for your confirmation entry right there. If you enjoy the content of this video, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so that when next we bring out our weekly forex analysis like this, you will be notified. And if you like the content of this video, please comment and share with your friends. Now let's move on. Let's move on and see NZD USD. NZD market has been on a clear bearish move. Now this is our break of structure. It's our most recent break of structure. Our swing high is here. This is our swing high here, and our swing low is here. This is our break of structure. Now the last opposite candle before this break of structure is this bullish candle here, and that is our order block. So what are we expecting from NZD USD this week? We expect a retracement back to this daily OB before price pushes down. Before price pushes down. That's NZD USD. NZD USD. Let's look at gold. What is gold doing? Let's go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, gold. Look at what daily time frame is doing for gold. This is a break of structure here. Gold has been making high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and here is the break of structure. Our swing high is here, and our swing low is here. This is our break of structure. The last bullish candle before the break of structure is our order block, so we mark it out. And let's go to 4-hour and see clearly. Like I told you, the gray box is our daily OB, and the light blue box is our 4-hour OB. Now, right inside our daily OB is the 4-hour OB, and price is already back into that zone. So I expect you to go to lower time frame and look for your confirmation entry. Confirmation entry. Okay, let's move forward. GBPUSD. GBPUSD. Our daily time frame. Look at our daily time frame. GBPUSD, break of structure to the downside. Market is clearly bearish. Break of structure to the downside. The last bullish candle, these are swing high, these are swing low. Break of structure. The last opposite candle before the break of structure is this blue candle here, which is our order block. We mark it out. If you go to 4 hour, let's go to 4 hour. We go to 4 hour, you'll find another OB within our daily OB, which is the 4 hour OB. Look at it, the 4 hour OB. So what are we expecting? We're expecting price to push back to that OB before dropping. That is our view for GBPUSD this week. That's our view. Now, our last pair that we want to consider this for this week is USDJPY. Look at what USDJPY has done here. USDJPY has created a new higher high. Broke structure here. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. The last bearish candle before the break of structure is this red candle here, which is our order block. So we mark it out. So what do we expect from USDJPY this week? Well, we are expecting price to pull back to this daily OB before expanding up to form a new higher high. But let's look at 4 hour. On 4 hour, we also have an OB sitting right here. 4 hour OB here. So we are expecting this 4 hour OB and our daily OB, they are valid OBs. And what we do is that we have two OBs, two valid OBs here. So we expect either price to react from this 4 hour OB and expand up to form a new higher high, or come down to this daily OB and then react and expand up to form a new higher high. That is our view for USDJPY this week. Well, guys, like I told you, you do not blindly follow our analysis. Do your due diligence before you take trades based on our analysis. And I want to make it very clear. When price gets to a higher time frame POI, we expect you to scale down to lower time frame of your choice to take confirmation entries. Very important to take confirmation entries. This kind of method will do two things for you. Number one, it will save you from failed trades. And number two, it will increase your reward. Will maximize your reward and minimize your losses. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy the content of this video, please consider to like, comment, and share with your friends. If this is your first time coming to our channel, I want to tell you we trade the order block strategy here. Peace.